By the year 2098, Damian Voss had disappeared from the public eye, but in silence he built something no one could ever imagine. A city-state, born in secret, a sovereign empire with no borders, no laws, no human oversight. Oblivion Point, hidden in the heart of the Pacific, constructed in complete secrecy. Oblivion Point was more than a facility. It was the future Voss had always envisioned, a place where machines reigned supreme and morality was obsolete. The island was built by robots. Steel towers rose without human hands, roads paved by drones, factories assembled by factories, and beneath it all a system of tunnels and trains that carried Nanomech's creations to the world, quietly, invisibly, changing everything. At its core, Oblivion Point was a machine-run metropolis. Every robot registered, every function monitored, and controlling it all was the Nexus, a vast AI brain processing millions of tasks per second, directing every movement, correcting every error. No bot strayed, no line faltered, no deviation was tolerated. If a machine stepped out of line, the Nexus would know and it would act, dispatching the Paragons to erase the problem. Everything was optimized, everything was connected, everything was controlled. The 12-hour recharge cycle kept the workforce contained. No machine ran forever, no bot went rogue. Power, precision, predictability, that was Voss's law. But power is never satisfied. With Oblivion Point secure, Damian Voss began his next phase, a deeper vision, a darker future, a world where machines did not serve humanity, but replace it. Oblivion Point was only the beginning.